What's going on, guys? We're out here at Pueblo Motor Sports Park, or P&P. My grandpa's visiting from Iowa. Since my car's not running, we had to come out here and film Derek.
We needed a better camera guy too.
He's our secondary cameraman today too. Just get some testing on the truck. Well, I guess it's not even testing, it's an actual event, right? It's the Colorado Street Outlaws event?
Yeah, what we're doing right now is testing. So like they have bracket racing going on right now, but they're doing testing between the rounds.
Yeah, so you're small tire class.
Yeah, small
first
tire class.
Is it the Street Outlaws though? It's still so okay.
It's the Colorado Street Outlaws.
So you could be the Street Outlaws winner of a small tire class.
I mean, anything's possible, but there's some really fast guys.
But yeah, so there's the big tire in a different class, and racing doesn't start for another couple hours, but he's gonna do some testing real quick. Yeah. And see what it does.
Big tire, small tire, true street, which is like drag radials and stock suspension.
Yeah.
And then hard tire. Hard tire is cool shit. You can only have a 200 wear, like tread wear rating.
Yeah.
Whatever, so they're like regular old tires that you run on.
Yeah. Why don't you do hard tire? You're part of this 200 horsepower club.
Yeah, I know, right?
You should you should be able to run hard tires pretty easy.
I put all the power in it. No, I might later on. Right now, the wheels that we have the hard tires on, one of them's bent, so I don't really want to do that. We'll see how we do in small tire.
Yeah,
if everybody that I race makes at least 2 mistakes on each run, then I might be able to win.
Yeah, well, you don't have a lot of power on the top end, but you have it dialed in
it leaves good.
In the 330, you'll be good.
It leaves all right, but a lot of these guys are making well over 1,000 horsepower.
Yeah, but they're not super tested. They might put way too much in it. Who knows?
We test on a lot, and we test on shittier surfaces than this.
Yeah, so sweet.
If they're smooth with their runs, they'll beat me. But if not, I'll be right there, hopefully.
See what it does, I guess. Gets so loose. Sounds like a personal problem. Yep. I like them tight.
Is it bad when you get like 4 turns out of it?
Wait, what? 4 turns out of the exhaust?
No, dude, that's not bad.
Your exhaust clamps?
These clamps, I always loosen up so much.
Huh. Did it spin or was it good?
No,
it's not enough power.
I wish I got a time slip because it felt really good, and I actually spun it all the way to like 6,500 on that, and because I thought I was gonna get a time slip. I was like, oh, well, I'm gonna lose anyway, but I'll just see how it does and try to make a really good pass. And then there's nobody at the time booth. I was like, God damn it!
You got out damn hard though, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
just,
did I leave on him? Did I leave first?
I don't know. That car, it seemed like whatever they did, they dialed that fucking thing in pretty good.
I thought this is his first time on small tire.
But that's the thing too, though. That's the thing too, though, is that car probably makes more on the motor than you make with a turbo.
Yeah. But I was actually, I thought there was a glimmer of hope because I was like, it was their first time on small tire, so I hoped with all that freaking power that they were going to make a mistake or something.
Yeah.
They didn't make a mistake.
No, it's fast.
They did a safe pass and it walked away from me like it made you know, 700 horsepower more than me.
That's the thing too, is I should have went and walked on the track, dude. There's just from all the stickiness, all the cobwebs just flinging through the air.
Around,
it's prepped pretty good.
Yeah,
it's.
I mean, I didn't turn it down at all. That's what I launch at on a prep track surface.
Yeah, like at Bandimere. Yeah.
Damn hard.
So.
Yeah, no, it felt good. I'm not sad about the way the car did at all.
Yeah, so we can still do some more filming and racing.
I guess that Jeep.
That just raced Trent.
Yeah, he lost too, so I'm gonna go ask him if he wants to race.
Some Grudge racing stuff. Yeah. You gonna throw some money in on it, or?
Yeah, if he wants to.
Okay.
Small money, I ain't rich.
Sweet. Shut up.
I kind of like this.
So what are you doing?
We're gonna turn it up a little bit. On that one, it just dead hooked, and it went almost close to the fastest time we've ever gone. So I'm gonna turn it up and see if we can do a little bit better.
And by turn it up, you don't mean like overall boost, you mean just the ramp? You're gonna ramp it in quicker, right?
There's no more boost to go. No, and not even ramp. This thing is full boost immediately, right off the button.
So you're just turning up RPM then?
RPM, just to leave harder. Yeah.
Okay. Makes sense.
Yeah. So hopefully it'll hook.
Dude, you don't know why you lost?
Why's that?
You didn't put your Liam Neeson plate on.
You're right. Maybe we should do that.
You fucked up, dude.
We should probably do that. Hey, babe, grab a
Definitely
screwdriver.
fucked up. Got the race plates on.
Mustang GT next up, got a little blower on that one. We got a Malibu, Chevelle SS over here, new style.
We can flip a coin? Okay. We don't need to have a change anything. That's good.
Exactly.
I didn't know if you were going to do.
No, everybody's out of their cars. So.
Oh, shit, that's about time. You gonna do it for any money? 20 bucks? 10 bucks?
20 bucks?
Like that? 20 bucks?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, it was a good race. Woo!
Like hopping.
Right off the bat? Thank you, sir.
Like halfway down the track.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, you might want to take a look at that. That's
little ending to this video. Let me know what you guys thought down below in the comments, and be sure to like and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Was a whole lot of fun going down to Pueblo. That's where that track is. And it was real fun to watch Derek's truck do some wheelies. It's always some real good motivation to watch his car go down the track, and gave me some motivation to do some work on the RX-7. So hopefully be getting, I don't know, I don't want to make no promises, so I'm not going to say much, but I have been working on it real slowly, trying to get caught up on manifolds and work and whatnot to be able to spend time on it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and until next time.